Hello everyone, this is Ray from Price Action Forex Limited. And like always, I will take you guys through breakdown of an insane trade which gave us 495 plus pips. Yes, you have heard it absolutely right. 495 plus pips from a single position. So without wasting any time anymore, let's get right into it. We shared this USDMXN buy signal on November 10, 2021 in our PFX VIP channel. And like always, we shared the signal analysis. This trade was closed with 495 plus pips, which gave us around 1:4.7 risk to reward ratio. Now, USDMXN is an exotic pair, so its price action is different from major and minor currencies. Nonetheless, our winning and profitability rate on this pair is extremely high. Now let's show you guys how we analyzed this pair and how we took this trade and gained this insane amount of pips. So this is USDMXN 1 hour chart. Our eyes goes right into this area where we can see how price manipulated or stop hunted all these sell side liquidities. Then we can spot multiple areas containing buy side liquidity, like this price imbalance, then this equal high, and this price imbalance with this 1 hour order block, which is working as our take profit target. As we can see that price was consolidating in Asian session. We waited for price to break out from this consolidation, so London session opening volume was appropriate. We took our entry here and placed the stop loss right below the previous low. Now let's sit back and watch what price delivered us. See how precisely price has hit our target and reacted from that level. Having said all of that, if you haven't yet joined our Telegram channel where we share free signal every week, link is in the description. Go check it out now.